Question number 1. Where is cervical dilation plotted in photograph? Correct option is A. X-axis. Question number 2. Which complication is common in gestational diabetes? Correct option is C. Macrosomia. Question number 3. Which maneuver determines petal head engagement? Correct option is A. C. Third leaf fold. Question number 4. What is the normal liquor amniotic fluid index? Correct option is B. 5 to 24 centimeter. Question number 5. Which condition is associated with fully hydromenous? Correct option is C. Anencephaly. Question number 6. What is the most common cause of abruptio placentae? Correct option is D. Hypertension. Question number 7. What is the most common type of breech presentation? Correct option is A. Prank breech. Question number 8. What is the most common site of ectopic pregnancy? Correct option is D. Ampulla of fallopian tube. Question number 9. Which hormone is detected in pregnancy test? Correct option is A. HCG hormone. Question number 10. What is the duration of the second stage in Fermi-Gravida? Correct option is C. 2 hours. Question number 11. What is the normal weight gain in pregnancy? Correct option is D. 11 to 16 kg. Question number 12. What is the common cause of secondary infertility? Correct option is A. Pelvic inflammatory disease. Question number 13. Which structure produces progesterone in early pregnancy? Correct option is D. Corpus luteum. Question number 14. When does placenta take poor progesterone production? Correct option is C. 12 weeks. Question number 15. What is the most common indication of emergency cesarean? Correct option is B. Fetal distress. Question number 16. Which disease is prevented by pentavalent vaccine? Correct option is D. Diphtheria. Question number 17. What is the sign of compartment syndrome? Correct option is B. Severe pain. Question number 18. What is the most common cause of maternal death? Correct option is A. Postpartum hemorrhage. Question number 19. What is the antidote for benzodiazepine overdose? Correct option is B. Plasmonil. Question number 20. What is tumor lysis syndrome associated with? Correct option is D. Chemotherapy. Question number 21. What is the first action for unconscious patient? Correct option is C. Check airway. Question number 22. Which patient requires immediate isolation? Correct option is A. TB suspected. Question number 23. What type of shark has warm, plushed skin initially? Correct option is A. Septic shark. Question number 24. Which shark shows narrow pulse pressure? Correct option is D. Hypothalamic shark. Question number 25. What is the first sign of respiratory failure in infant? Correct option is B. Irritability. Question number 26. Which sign indicates meningitis in child? Correct option is D. Kerning sign. Question number 27. What must be checked before insulin administration? Correct option is B. Blood glucose level. Question number 28. Sudden unilateral weakness. What suspected? Correct option is A. Stroke. Question number 29. Which parameter best indicate organ perfusion? Correct option is C. Urine output. Question number 30. What is the drug of choice in symptomatic bradycardia? Correct option is B. Atropine. Question number 30. What is the hallmark sign of cardiac tamponade? Correct option is B. Backstride. Question number 31. What is the therapeutic serum magnesium level in eclampsia? Correct option is B. 4 to 7 milliequal per liter. Question number 32. Which label best reflects tissue hypoxia? Correct option is D. Lactate. Question number 33. Which parameter best indicate fluid overload? Correct option is D. Weight gain. Question number 34. What is the first sign of hemolytic transfusion reaction? Correct option is D. Fever and chills. Question number 35. Which position is best for spinal anesthesia? Correct option is C. Lateral side lying. Question number 37. Which artery is used to check pulse in shock? Correct option is B. Carotid pulse. Question number 38. Which artery is commonly used for arterial blood gas sampling? Correct option is B. Radial artery. Question number 39. What is the main complication of immobility? Correct option is D. Pressure ulcer. Question number 40. Which electrolyte imbalance causes muscle cramps? Correct option is B. Hypocalcemia. Question number 41. Which disease is caused by iodine deficiency? Correct option is a goiter. Question number 42. What is the best site for MI injection in implant? Correct option is D. Vestis lateralis. Question number 43. Which vitamin deficiency causes night blindness? Correct option is A. Vitamin A. Question number 44. Which electrolyte imbalance causes arrhythmia most commonly? Correct option is C. Potassium. Question number 45. Which disease causes blue baby syndrome? Correct option is D. Tetralogy of folate. Question number 46. Why is corticosteroid given in preterm labor? Correct option is B. To mature fetal lungs. Question number 47. What is the most common cause of shock? Correct option is D. Hemorrhage. Question number 48. Which condition causes stifle sign on X-ray? Correct option is B. Croup. Question number 49. What is the normal hematocrit in males? Correct option is G. 40 to 45, 55%. Question number 50. Which condition causes butterfly pattern on chest X-ray? Correct option is D. Pulmonary edema. Question number 51. How is magnesium sulfate toxicity monitored by? Correct option is D. Through respiratory rate. Question number 52. What is the common cause of macrocytic anemia? Correct option is B. Vitamin B12 deficiency. Question number 53. Which condition causes sunset sign in infants? Correct option is a hydrocephalus. Question number 54. Which infection spread by fecal oral route? Correct option is D. Hepatitis A. Question number 55. Which condition shows moon phase in buffalo hoops? Correct option is B. Caution syndrome. Question number 56. Which stage of pressure ulcer involves muscle exposure? Correct option is D. Stage 4. Question number 57. Which disease is caused by Clostridium botulinum? Correct option is C. Botulism. Question number 58. Which infection causes Koplik spots? Correct option is B. Measles. Question number 69. Which stage of shock shows lactic acid acidosis? Correct option is C. Progressive. Question number 60. What is the normal ejection fraction of the heart? Correct option is D. 55 to 70%. Question number 61. Which mineral deficiency causes anemia despite normal iron? Correct option is B. Copper. Question number 62. Which vitamin deficiency causes rickets? Correct option is D. C. Vitamin D. Question number 63. Which hormone prepares body for stress? Correct option is A. Cortisol. Question number 64. Which organ regulates body temperature? Correct option is D. Hypothalamus. Question number 65. Why is iron supplementation avoided in thalassemia? Correct option is B. Iron overload. Question number 66. Which organ synthesize clotting factors? Correct option is A. Liver. Question number 67. Which device measures air movement in lungs? Correct option is C. Spirometer. Question number 68. Which vitamin deficiency causes beriberi? Correct option is B. Vitamin B1. Question number 69. Which mineral deficiency reduce ATP formation? Correct option is D. Magnesium. Question number 70. Which acid base disorder occurs in diabetic ketoacidosis? Correct option is A. Metabolic acidosis. Question number 71. Which hormone causes uterine contraction? Correct option is B. Oxytocin. Question number 72. Which energy transfer causes heat loss in cold wind? Correct option is B. Convection. Question number 73. Which principle explain sweating cooling the body? Correct option is C. Evaporation. Question number 74. Which law explain air pressure volume relationship in lungs? Correct option is B. Pile's law. Question number 75. Which factor reduce radiation exposure? Correct option is D. All of the above. Question number 76. Which vitamin helps calcium absorption? Correct option is D. Vitamin D. Question number 77. Which electrolyte is essential for enzyme activation? Correct option is B. Magnesium. Question number 78. Which nutrient is primary energy source for brain? Correct option is C. Glucose. Question number 79. Which electrolyte imbalance causes paresthesia? Correct option is a hypocalcemia. Question number 80. Why does anemia causes shortness of breath? Correct option is the heart failure.